So I was really craving some ice cream, but decided to make a smoothie instead. I'm making my favorite berry banana smoothie. In my bowl, I have frozen fruit, I have frozen bananas, organic strawberries, organic raspberries, and wild blueberries. For my liquid, I have organic coconut water, which is great for hydration. And then I have this purple juice. It has pomegranate juice, cherry, mulberry, red grape, purple carrot, cranberry, and blueberry. So I'm going to add my fruit to my blender. It's about 8 ounces. My purple juice and coconut juice, it's about half and half, 4 ounces each. Put it in the blender and blend. Let's pour the smoothie in the glass. It's nice and thick and creamy. Stick a straw in it and enjoy.